Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices are updated and paired. On your iPhone, install WhatsApp and enable its notifications in Settings. Once done, open the Watch app, go to Notifications, and turn on Mirror iPhone alerts specifically for WhatsApp. This directs message banners to your Ultra 2 immediately. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off for testing. You'll now receive incoming WhatsApp messages as Watch notifications ready for quick reply. When a WhatsApp notification arrives, tap it to reveal the full chat preview. You can reply with voice dictation, speak clearly, or use Scribble to draw letters, or select a preset quick reply if you have them set. Once you send, the Watch forwards the reply through your iPhone and WhatsApp. If you need more actions, tap More or long press the notification to reveal options like emoji reactions or marking as read. This keeps the exchange seamless without pulling out your phone. Finish by sending a test message to confirm replies show inside WhatsApp on your phone. If messages stop appearing on the Watch, restart both the Ultra 2 and the iPhone first. That fixes most sync glitches. Make sure notification settings still allow WhatsApp, and verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so the Watch can relay replies through the phone. If problems persist, toggle Mirror iPhone alerts off and on for WhatsApp. Then retest to restore the connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.